Howdy folks, welcome to V-Twins to V8s. I'm Troy Kane and I'm here to teach you how to repair and restore trucks, motorcycles, and cars. This has been a passion my entire life. I started doing this stuff when I was a teenager, a very young teenager. I was very fortunate to grow up in a family where my parents owned a body shop and an automotive garage, and I learned from the masters in both of these businesses. I had a stepfather that was a body shop owner, and my father was a automotive shop owner. I worked in both of these shops throughout high school and all the way into my early 20s, ultimately going to some other secondary schools for diesel mechanics and heavy duty trucks, and then coming back and taking over the body shop. Meanwhile, while I was doing my education, I worked in both of these shops intermittently, and I learned all of the tools and tricks of the trade. And the purpose of my channel is to pass that knowledge on to you. So, my credentials in doing this are 40 plus years of experience, hundreds of vehicles restored. I got one of my recent cars actually made it into the pages of Hot Rod magazine. That's the 67 Charger, the black one. And for the most part, my clients bring them to local car shows and things, and just enjoy the cars. So I'm at the shop, I'm restoring cars, and at the same time, I like to make content and teach other people such as yourself how I do different things. So I have the 40 plus years of hands-on education, but I'm also formally trained. I'm an ASE certified master tech in both automotive and collision repair. I'm a licensed automotive appraiser. I've been certified in paint by both the DuPont company, which is now known as Axalta, and also by the Sherwin-Williams Corporation, which makes Sherwin-Williams finishes. So I've been to these factory training schools. I went to Michigan and trained at DuPont right at the factory in Michigan. It was a great experience. I was only in my 20s at that point, but I just really enjoy this stuff. So that gives me a lot of formal education. Plus, I teach myself. I'm ongoing, taking courses, doing different things, always learning. I am a firm believer in you can always learn. You can learn something from everybody. So in my travels and when I go to shows and stuff like that, I look at cars, I talk to people, and I get a good feel of how they do things, and I'm always looking for better, easier, cheaper, quicker ways to do things, and I'm going to pass that stuff on to you. So please subscribe to the channel. It's very, very educational. There's something in here for everybody. If there's something that you want me to cover, message me. I'll see if I can do a video for you to help you out. If you have questions, message me. I'll help you answer questions. What I'm going to start doing now is I'm going to start making some tailor-made programming for you folks. I am going to build a complete system that teaches you how to take a vehicle like this from nothing to a vehicle like this that's completely done. And it's going to take me some time, and we'll slowly roll this out so you'll be able to log into a master class, learn how to do a specific task, and then get a little bit of support afterwards where you'll be able to message me and say, hey, you know, I tried this or that, and I can respond to you. So keep your eye out for that. I appreciate you for stopping by, and please check out our links, check out my website, check out my content. I got a lot of content up now that will help you. Thank you, and good luck on your projects.